Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to make a poll in Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to make a poll in Viber, first open up your Viber app on your phone. After opening your Viber app, guys, open the chat box on which you want to create a poll. So similarly guys, you won't be able to make a poll on a personal chat box. You will only be able to make a poll on Viber on group chats, channels and communities. So I'll be opening a group chat of mine, which is a demo group chat. Do that on your similarly on your case. So in order to proceed from over here to make a poll on Viber, on this interface, after opening the chat box, guys, at the bottom left corner of the screen, just beside the message bar, you can see a plus button over here at the bottom left. When you tap on the message bar, it's at the left side of the message bar over here. You can see, tap on the plus button over here, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the poll option available for us. Just below the contact, tap on poll, and this kind of interface will appear where you will be required to add the question for a poll. So for example, and after that you can add your questions and your answers like this. You can add many answers as you want if you tap on the plus button simply. And after doing all this, tap on create, and your poll will be created on the chat where you want to. And you can see guys, this is the poll we have created. Now you can answer, or your voters can answer any way they like. And with that being done guys, this is how to make a poll in Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.